Hello, my friends. Mrs. Walt here. We're going to continue with our 95% lesson today, and we've been learning lots of different syllable types so far this school year, and today we're going to continue with vowel teams. Yesterday we practiced vowel teams. We had O and A, where the O is going to say its long vowel sound O, like in trope. And when you see two E's together, we have a vowel team, eel. And when we have O and Y together, you know that Y is crazy, wants to be a vowel. He's going to say oi, like in this silly word, loy, or pseudo word. And when we see A and I together, vowel team, we talked about how that's going to usually say A, okay, like in Abe. That looks like the name Abe, but that's not how it's spelled. Okay, when we have two E's together, it's going to say E, long E sound, eep, meep. And the last one we worked on yesterday was E and A. When E and A, when we see those two vowels together, they're usually going to say the long E sound, E, like in theme. Nonsense words are so silly, aren't they? And then we sorted the words that were definitely not vowel teams. We had an open syllable, fee, closed syllable, brep. Oh, vowel team. Excuse me, not a vowel team. Scratch that. I meant to see silent E. That's a silent E, where we know the vowel is going to say its long vowel sound, like in mibe. Open syllable, fi. Silent E, so I know that vowel is going to say its long vowel sound A. Aid, Kate. Open I, so my, and that was my wonky O. Again, silent E, fode. Today, I want to jump in and start talking about a different vowel team. Now this one, a lot of people have trouble with when you see O and I together. When you hear the sound oi in a word, like in oin, OI is going to say oi. This silly word would be oint, moit, not moit, I added the N. Let me fix that again. Oit, moit, vowel team. Remember, oi, moit, okay? You should be saying, that is not a vowel team, Mrs. Walt. That is open, so I know the vowel is going to say O, stow. Very good. If you said vowel team, leet. Excellent. Is this a vowel team? Definitely not a vowel team. Closed. Fob. Are you getting good at this? I hope so. And remember, we talked about A and U together. Say, oh, like a cute little puppy. Oh, but-awed. That is a vowel team. AU says, oh. How about this one? You should be saying, oh yeah, I remember that Y. This one wants to trick me and I want to think it's a consonant, but in this case it is a vowel team. Remember, oi. Bloy rhymes with boy. Bloy. You should be saying, no, this is not a vowel team right now. This is a silent E. Eyes, clies. Not a vowel team, is it? What do you see here? Open. Say it with me. Dro. Vowel team. Remember, when you see an A and a U together, they're going to say, oh, oh, cute little puppy, cute little kitty. This would be, say it with me, on, John. Very good. If you said, oh, vowel team, you should be holding your fingers like this, vowel team. Do you remember what it says? Oi. Oi. So sound it out with me. Oit. Moit. Get ready. Is it a vowel team? You're right, it is not a vowel team. I see silent E on the end, so I know that this is not a vowel team. This is a silent E syllable type. Vove. You're right. You guys are getting really good at this. Not a vowel team, is it? This is a closed syllable where the vowel's going to say its short vowel sound, ah. TH says th, th-ack, thack. Vowel team or no? Very good. It is a vowel team. I see an A and an I together, and this tells me that the vowel is going to say its long vowel sound, A. When A and I are together, they're usually always going to say A. A is bossy. I like to say when A and I go walking, the A does the talking. Sa-abe, sabe. Now, you always know I like to throw in some real words to practice. Vowel team, and I hope your brain is thinking right now, oh, I remember O and I says oi, oi, oink, oink. A pig says oink, oink, oink. The real word oink. Ooh, this is a little tougher. Don't call it out if you recognize it. Look at the syllable types. I see a vowel team in the middle, and I see two syllables. I see another vowel on the end, so this tells me, and it's separated by consonant, two syllables here. We've got a t, oil, at. Put them together, toilet. Do you need to use the toilet before we get started on the next lesson? Okay, remember guys, practice reading words that you don't know. That's how we get better at reading, okay? Don't read something too easy. Make sure you find a just right book for you and practice learning a few new words every single day. And before you know it, you're gonna be reading really thick chapter books like my favorite, Harry Potter. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.